How to turn off message delivered tick mark. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Messenger app and get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Now, in order to turn off the delivered tick mark, tap on three bar icon on your top left, here tap on the gear icon, then tap on active status. From here, untoggle the button and tap on until I change it. Tap on to pause. Now as you do so, this will turn off the delivered tick mark. Another way you could do it is simply long tap the chat that you would like to turn off the tick marks of, then tap on restrict. Now as you have done that, this account has been restricted and they won't see the delivered tick mark if you have sent any messages. In order to unrestrict that account, tap on the three bar icon again, then tap on settings icon, tap on privacy and safety. There you will see restricted accounts. Tap onto the account that you would like to unrestrict. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.